Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in Exness on MT5 Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll move between the Exness app and the MT5 Mobile app to connect your trading account correctly. The main idea is simple. First, you'll get the server details from Exness, and then you'll use those details inside MT5 to log in. Take your time with each screen, especially when copying and pasting information, since accuracy matters here. Begin by opening the Exness app on your phone. Once the app is open, look toward the right side and tap on Settings. This is where you can find the account information needed for MT5. Inside the Settings area, scroll down toward the bottom and tap on the option to copy the server. This server name is important because MT5 uses it to locate the correct trading account connection. After you've copied the server, leave the Exness app and open the MT5 app. When MT5 loads, tap on Add Trading Account. This will take you to the section where you can search for and connect a broker server. In the Search or Server field, paste the server you copied from the Exness app. Make sure the pasted text appears correctly, because even a small typo or missing character can stop the login from working. Next, go back to the Exness app again. This time, find the login information for the account and copy the login number. Once that's copied, switch back to MT5 and paste that login into the appropriate field. This helps ensure you're entering the exact account number without mistakes. After that, enter your password manually in MT and continue by following the on-screen prompts. Be careful when typing the password, since passwords are case-sensitive and need to match exactly. If your device offers autofill, it can be helpful, but always double-check that the correct password is being used for that trading account. As you complete the final screen, MT5 should process the information and sign you into your Exness account. If something doesn't work right away, the most common issues are usually an incorrect server, a wrong login number, or a password typo. In that case, simply go back and verify each detail carefully. That's it. Once everything is entered correctly, you should be logged in and ready to use your Exness account on MT5 Mobile.